Hello friends, in today's video we are going to see about how to perform a math operation in Python, and also we are going to solve a bank robbery problem. Let's begin. Now I am going to show you an addition operation. For that I am going to take two variables, which is number 1 and number 2. In print command, if something is given inside the double quotation, it will consider as a string, or else it will consider as an integer. We need an output in the integer format. So in the last print command, these two variables are not given inside the double quotation. Now I have just changed the operator between the two variables, and let's see the changes in the output. Before moving to the next area, we should see about the priorities, a math operator priorities. According to the operator priorities, the control will decide which operator should be performed first. In this case, multiplication operation will be performed first, and then the control moves to the subtraction operation. Let's see the output. We will also get the output in the negative values. I have a question for you guys. Could you solve the same operation in just single line code? Yeah, it's very simple. Let's see. The problem is splitting the robbed money for 5 members and print it. You are going to solve this problem with the knowledge you gain from this channel. You will be getting your answers in the next few seconds, so just pause this video and try it by yourself. Thanks for watching, guys. If you like this video, please do subscribe and share with your friends and support us. In the next video, we will see more interesting things in Python. Till then, bye and cheers. Take care.